when we talk of blood pressure, it means the normal recordings of the blood pressure, those are there. Those are higher than what is normal. We say the normal blood pressure is 120 by 80, but for treatment, we always target that blood pressure is maintained less than 140 by 90 and preferably less than 130 by 80. 130 systolic and 80 millimeters of mercury diastolic. Now, there are many of us who are suffering from hypertension for years together, and we have been started on medications to control this blood pressure. Now, whenever we have a scenario wherein there is a lot of stress, there is tension, these blood pressures are ought to increase. So that can precipitate the negative effects or the complications of increased blood pressure. Now, the negative effects or the complications of hypertension are there can be headache, there can be blurring of vision, there can be increased risk of myocardial infarction or heart attack. Increased blood pressure can cause negative effects to the kidneys, it can cause negative effects to the eyes, and rarely, if there is sudden surge in the blood pressure, it can lead to brain hemorrhage or pulmonary edema, that is fluid collection in the lungs. So if a patient is hypertensive, we do recommend them to take these medications, the blood pressure medications, very, very regularly. And when we are at home, if it is like we are not going to our doctors regularly for routine follow-up, we do check blood pressure at home at least once in a week and see to it the recordings are within normal limits. Let's say if we stop our BP medications or the blood pressure medications, that would lead to increase in the blood pressures, and that can sometimes lead to a very fatal complication in the form of brain hemorrhage or myocardial infarction. Now, when we are recording the blood pressure at home, we should check it early morning whenever we get up and when we are very mentally relaxed. When we are checking our blood pressure, we should see to it that our body is physically relaxed. We are lying down comfortably on our back in our bed. Then the machine which we use, it should be at the level of heart, and we should not be wearing any tight clothes. Avoid using tea, coffee, or any nicotine product like smoking or tobacco at least half an hour before the blood pressure, and we should not check blood pressure immediately after a heavy physical activity. Normally, blood pressure should be checked before our morning exercises. Let's say with all these due precautions, we check our blood pressure, and the blood pressure comes to be more than 140 by 90. We should repeat check it after 5 to 10 minutes. And if it happens like blood pressure is persistently maintained more than 140 by 90, that means probably we are not taking adequate medications or the adequate dietary restrictions, those have been advised. So you should immediately check how much is the salt intake that you are taking in 24 hours. See to it that whether you are mentally relaxed, and if still after all these actions, if blood pressures are high, then you should call your doctor and take his help to better control the blood pressure. There was some discussion about certain group of hypertension medications or the BP medications increasing the risk of COVID infection. So two groups of medications, that is ACE inhibitor and ARBs. These are the two groups of medications. Those were thought to increase the risk of COVID infection. And initially, some case reports mentioned that patients who were taking these medications, they had higher risk of occurrence of COVID-19. But with so many patients coming up now and the data that is published from all these studies world over, it has been very well established that there is nothing like these medications are increasing the risk of infection. And so these medications have been found to be very safe. And American Heart Association, which is supposed to be the most prominent and most eminent body world over, giving guidelines for management of hypertension and heart disease, has recommended to continue these medications uninterrupted. There is no need to change them.